Yeah.
Oh, sir. Ade.
Yeah, sports. Me lose crop na. Some money the baba na. I say you difference in. What can the boy shake and come right?
Chief, also football one na feel.
Yeah, football they are religion, but answer na no.
Hey, sir.
No, it's a religion. Aji nipa wonim. Anything na her passion na. Odi agra obi create me dia wo. Anything obi timi what as a spectator na what yes from no see pitch ne so na or two blow and na say okoso obi mu. It tells you say drive na e di move no.
Okay.
Anodi. Inti wow you do see what say hwesa de no also you're very careful.
Okay.
I'll come to that. My mencha Asante Mera.
Okay.
Na otikokoso. Nena na mekasa na mencha no fadisha omo hwe yen nyina and the party mpanfo a omo na mencha so say ye limited registration no guso ekoso nti ye mofra na titru omo nya 18 years ne 1920 no titru Asante Mem for the past be no say Ghana nyina for the past be 3 years yen share that upgrade and I say update you know electoral register no nti ho behia say nkwada no omo bro mfie du nwotwe no ntina ho nkasa bia yesi omo monya mfie du enwotwe na eye na emu amonya 1920 ni nyamo nhye ne so na monko register football Ghana Benin ya kan be ka say Ghana the coaches no over 30 million coaches.
Yeah.
But no kure wo mu say a football na me de me de be ma yon coach no.
Okay.
Skipper akosi apia say yesu bieti pen for the kan. Because I know be o here born bia no be catch here say sebi tactically we were very poor on the pitch. And now unim say there was no coordination. And at a point in time, no, utimi who say, ono ankasa so no na ompe go bia she. Coach, no.
Sir.
Na you central defender free mo. What do you do? Quickly no unko you Wenger in free. What do you call it? Uwusu no. But rather no you striker back free. Say be we dey say you basic. Only dem mention no. Because unipa na ye na free mo. Defender or no central defense or no chiro wo nyina wo ye.
But no information and na wo bo. And no nim ni enti a wo de onu kosim. Enti yenti na asem ye betimi aka say no onye na dwen se ope goal ahye. And ye di enti no wo tournament ni.
Me da say me nua ba. Me dem say yesi obi eti.
Okay.
At a point in time, best players Kodwa Asamoah.
Yeah.
Ote ho. Asamoah Jan. Wako bida experience wote ho. Uti what's about be dey that you afrim.
Asamoah Jan aka say opra kakra na fe na opeke form ba. Enti ono a nim say opeke form ba coach amfana nsi ma sha. Well, that one.
Omo tie bench no. Wan mo no mo so mo botting papa. Ye nyina no na yakoma wo mo. And I'm see yesu bi eti. Uti ye too early.
Okay.
To crucify him. I was saying now you the motivation be you just say you the spirit in that blast time. Sure. Very important.
Sure. Afeni ashase.
Afeni ashase.
Yeah.
Eti me pese me kom bebre na mumu no. Ontie afutuo kakra. Eno so beboa no. Se binyansa eni ba ko fotrim. Because who has said na agro no kona. Na edu baby na yemu bi abamobu.
Okay.
Beni. I was here show.
Sisi ano ntumi nkanche o man bia so onye football nation.
Oh, amani.
But o man bia ni agro.
Aboa no de hu na we nefo. Enkrofo na nkasa gitum se ball no se hye ye be ball no se enkrofo we dia o mo de nuro sem na malam de afekra ho se ye share ball na se na no. Sa ye mindset bia ya na wo yen so no. Ye gina ho na ya hye. Ya pass the ball na o jani ya hye. Ye say malam go de bantem. But we're able to overtake them at a point in time. And it tells you, say, I was see a team consolidated against no. Now, can win a match, no? Oh, win a match now, share Cameroon. No one who say,
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
That's true.
Because the pressure almost no. And I say yempe excuse bia.
Kwa.
Cameroon game no omo rene mine. Yes.
A serious task
No. You see, they are paid for. Sure. Your bomb pie mom, your 2 year moka.
Sure.
Omo rene how much in the mine?
With your udika.
Oh no. What we say?
A reverend say Kofi Mabreso one omboni free ni nye bi ne ne.
Tabi.
Ya pra boss wo me ye dia mo.
Be catch your sika woman we yam be show. Oh, eti mo
we ne so crop ba sika ka e bon crop. So mo we ne tournament.
Mo we ne bonus kwa. Eti ko mo we ne ya. Say mo we ne bonus nka be boa because mo we abusi mo be hwe mo. Eti we die. Ye any pressure no be nya kon so pa.
Yeah.
Yes, ye any pressure no mo fan show mo dream say Ghana for back home are not enthused with any performance no.
I was say a catcher omo na
for. Oh no. When nyasa fe na ye be ye say be ade ne say e possible.
Okay.
Omo mpo. Omo nhye Cameroon.
Okay.
Na ye hunu so ma we ne match no.
Okay.
E mo me kan kire nya fe na amount for mathematicians na bi ye calculation e na ha ye tifiri mu a we benya we. Group stage F group. Na wa bi mu de. Look at match Mali for you see
Mali match no Mali your man jeje mo hye nkrofo no
I no kire o say oba ba we ne trophy.
Okay.
Enya ya no emema na edi agro e na o say ya before na edi agro.
Okay.
Eti na dru ba bi a ya hodensem.
Okay.
So enti na mesre say omo humene so na yetawo achi both spiritual physical everything yetawo achi
spiritual no dey no why be
o say me bompa ye say ya mema ye ni nkunim
it is all the fasting kan
oh fasting ya dey wadwene so mo dem che ene dey wadwene na o declare conscience e bibia
sorry
amonim pa eye bibia nkunim die bama
amen
eti mesre wo mo
okay
mesre wo because o ka say wo kan wo be kan kire ne de onye ba ye nkire ne de onye na emumu no mpenfo si esi obi ati
okay mo ye da se and ye topics na ye 9 aka ye meeting so edua 9 enti de be ye ni we be ye be lay topics on a scale of preference na mo ankasa ne mo hwa de ye ni kankan wansem ya ka Nigeria for mo yo mo adwuma corruption na ye se ye peni pa ye nsesan constitution no Professor Adekye say aban awodo abade nya wo mo ye propaganda civic education pass this kabeko budget ye bedred be man NCC enko and afa UEW seminar minister actually say Prof Yanka Minister of Education in fact Minister Chakuma Minister of National Security say Minister of Education in charge of tertiary on shenon solve UEW in seminar na doso and a Minister of Interior say emu be nya say yen target criminals with political colors yen fa de he kane ene mo amunle mami
corruption there on say ene na kuto man no abrabo nyana say timi reduce and eliminate corruption am say benye sika aye ne ma bebre nti ya enim past 2.5 years in allegations of corruption akoso e wo man e obi so e wo court dodo na kama for so expect say nka a special prosecutor e ba yi nka odin sem bebre den akoko nkankan aban otisu because he must walk the talk the cabano or provided leadership or cultural crop for say me protect the national peace or ye campaign culture man for say keta social employee e dey simeni so it me ba may appoint special prosecutor na my security office for it na say Ghana for both MPP NDC emra ne ba mra shebedwom no yenyina no ya boa mamra na ba be ye adwuma to one would have expected say nka me no tu ha ye ka say nka papa no wa ye adwuma bebre say ya irrigation no say ye rio na nke nyina den ye hu ne poma sibre o say me de book ba ye na obi president dent na me de na mkuta yura VCR AC krabuki na me fa ne currency ye na book no menim say obi a obi wo library to be na kan
okay
because the landmark case here Supreme Court
unfinished journey
yes Supreme Court case here uru na anu e chesa ban bi betena konwa so a oni akwanya say obesake CEO so ane Director General aban dada na appoint omo no when you na part of the corruption they can was intimi it's about our institution because me neighbor say me name say my party ni na 4 years to aba mame na me party kwa me ne be kwa na me kofi na me nya adwuma nya, what do you expect me to do? I say nipa no dey can protect no.
Okay.
Eti onim se ne party be kofi dia, I say onya bibi di tu nachi because aban for be ba no ba bi yi na firi ho.
But all ba no so no onim se nya dia ne party be kaso.
But senka o progress through the ranks. Okay. Onim se aban be ko e na adwuma. Tene how ne dey. This was the retirement age. Back here and then DC 2015 governor appointees they call this assembly no. Yeah, amendment of Local Governance Act. So we can't sack them.
Okay.
Adekye me yapa under this 7th parliament. Okay, so man criticize the current speaker. The first year make fan where side do or year. The first agenda adwuma MPP bab abetra konwa so 2017 year any side no. And adwuna started parliament now the next day no amend Local Governance Act no. Said no. I say pamo mu nyina free this assembly so governor appointees.
But when him expect you kasa it say lawyer Clara Kasati ne prof Ade ne auditor general dom level o masem ne say ministers na ye fadodo na efi parliament no ama mu mrache we fiefo no muntumi enye modwuma ye abubu mapre efi say ya ye nuanom
about the constitutional amendment no meba ho because we have to start from somewhere. It's like a way one of the issues a bit me deal with. It's in the part when we say MPP NDCU or any juma. Into a jumbo nibia then management. Okay. Sat down na parliament so pie and so back here. You should to my parliament down so pie make cool film. Ye general should mama ya made art no. I make up pamu in this assembly government appointees no. The same thing as Supreme Court can say you need quite say obi abandoned and appointed no e so sake no nyina your political appointment say ministers na that day but your problem nyina you winner taste so you to be here even a communication director of an entity corporate president na appointed no ye pamo bia ma ne kofie zoom lion for pa ya form po no now me microphone say yapon mu nyina fim constituency and this addressing the form so you lose everything when you lose elections. It's at the moment also party beba no on your opportunity now person them also person also that onya de so onya bia because nim de bia then e be sectional but you jam man form progress through the answer we mu nyina then e be free home. Okay. Constitution na ye kan wasam no constitution in 1992 e dey buy no almost 20 something years. Yeah. Times have changed. Our environment has changed. Our democracy has evolved. Nema certain nipa do company yes saying. Into no say ye nema best stand the test of time. Be won say ye ko nim technology nim de bebre aba. Eti nim bebre where e wo constitution ma MY. Okay. I say yeah then you amend the constitution. Now how many be amend the constitution? Politicians in person be side way. Enti me busa question bi na the appointment no.
Sa ye nsesaye na ye ne say president bi beka say ma pow constitutional review committee omon kohwe ana say yenko old way na edi 1992 constitution ba ye ne say Ghana fo nyina enche wo madwen yenye consultative assembly form no.
Or no, I know other aspect. Any other lawyer say can be say. Oh yeah, yes, I need two constitution. No, we are rewriting the constitution.
Yeah, rewrite etia.
Etia mra. Either say one, we be kuma no sumuna so. Two constitution na gu. Okay. Now you be constitution for. Okay. And then you na be gia tum. Because we entrenched crosses of constitution. Want me and parliament to properly kwan. Even ya referendum po Ghana fo nyina ato ba say insistence across we no constitution akasa no o hwe the transition provisions of constitution na constitution as aka say even referendum na chipo parliament ni kwan say obey amend those enter crosses
but referendum can change those
no
you know
and only that them the crosses na ya kan wan sem no referendum na chipo no as such as parliament inside ni kwan. And it's not say the
betimi asesa ana
ye be kire adwene say yensesa
exactly
but constitution no we are making sure as I kire say parliament insane ni kwan say obey effect that amendment no and the best thing is be a constitution for fro but what I say okay my main king cast man I prof can when the book him okay and so I say can any beje pass and sama or kind about Amoaka or book not chassis. So Amoa could be happy with the judgment as Supreme Court by. I make a question or postman those years and say, let me explain what went wrong with the concept of Council of State. In the 1969 Constitution, there was a provision that the leader of the opposition should be a member of the Council of State. That was the position in the 1979 proposal for 1979 Constitution. We said the person who gets the highest number of votes after the person who is elected president automatically becomes a member of the Council of State. In the 1991 proposal by the Committee of Experts, they provided that the leaders of the parties in Parliament should automatically be members of the Council of State. These proposals were thrown out by the politicians. Today, we are talking about power sharing, winner takes all, and that sort of thing. But then we have always had with us the method of dealing with all this, winner takes all. Okay. We had opportunity, but we didn't utilize it.
Now, nobody can share opportunity, Dada.
Opportunity. Sometimes you just to say opposition leader, think and them look at your mama, or lose elections and I know, or more Council of State. In Konya appetite the possible contest election bill.
Okay.
It's a candidate for easy some Kenya and Kenya bill because you're president, you're a member of the Council of State. Okay. No matter take a decision, now that could bring a Kufa, the Kufa, na a OCC Nepal or my way. Okay. Constitution crossing, I said, obey appointed ministers are so far by 50% of parliament. Okay. And under Article 58, he was executive president. Too many sir. Okay. To the extent, say, Ghana Gas CEO Kropono, Mampenny Veterans, no permanent appointed Ghana Gas CEO. Can you imagine? Let me see you, a communication director. Communication director for president na appointed no. 81 or 2 on your minister obedi. Then about where you bet my car oneself. It's opposite apart from so opposition, now all council panel befa. Okay. Or persuade onfa. Okay. Let's look at the architecture of our constitution. It's only the breeding grounds of corruption. And
but me man yet said they are fair na deal we yaba.
Yeah,
ya phone from 2000 eba be pim enne. Enti say ni atia. Enya yin tum say moving on. We are ye men so ma ye entwa. Afi ye koye ni nsisa.
Nana court naturally a beautiful way to go. Okay. This landmark ruling is very beautiful. Yeah, opposition. Okay. So because I can say complaining because 2021, we need these elections. They will say, "Hey, bank for you to me more 2021
district assembly elections."
Presidential elections.
Says who? Says who?
Richard Achampo and the NDC.
Oh, I see.
We are winning these elections, and all the indicators are pointing to the right direction. It's yen can say complaining say. Having won these elections, you better create employment. I'm in Crawford. But now say a G democracy into the General Secretary issue statement or see a pencil. I don't just say I am quite a CEO. I will maybe a sure. Maybe I say honorable Nana Kufa na appointed to year Pamo. You be more in a Juma. Say the fatabasa na or yaw or how no.
A woman says I didn't ye kama. But when you say yes or buy as was a me Pamebia, a mammo time. After 1 month or 2 years, he proceed on leave. And yes, I know for my.
Well, I quite fast to Pamo penny free cocoa board. Oh, letter no. Oh, letter no. If you then you may man letter, you rather say hand over the keys to your office.
And no, dear, in your case, me Jama Collins at 10 minutes now. So, Ubons on no instances.
Going forward, maybe Supreme Court to know am I a very good directioner. About boy, then the Supreme Court can be part of our laws.
You think Supreme Court in Yankani Emran in your order? Now, send our constitution.
But Obiko Supreme Court for interpretation of the law of our constitution. And the Supreme Court am I the interpretation because Obibe reading the letter and the spirit of the constitution. Okay. And in the Supreme Court Ediaba. And it's Obiko na cabinet. It take a decision. Some America for a buyer, you dear spirit to me free. You move a gun near, yes, one to the seeker, the Lances Fina that they are cruising a Jume. Or no American one I can say man is spirit free. But what's a cabinet to take a decision, but your parliament a debater, on to Mrs. Anna Johnny. But what has happened, very funny thing. Or we share corridors, so I do the Peninsula, Ukoka, a Benedict. And on the Union as a media for no so much waka. mama onye munyina ene demre na so
okay
na corruption na ye kan wasem nyina no my time do no office no ye pese e function na allegations across to about since 2017 nyina no
function so amusi hey anya na function amusi hey
na the charge sheet court na say no they are defect ayen kan wasem.
Thank you chief. Yeah, corruption na science sign constitution no yes san wo hwa ebeboa yen said ye be ya enkoba se gise mampani ko yi aso afodro afiri machine bedwafie na afiri machine bedwafie ntumi nye na dwuma se ono ye hwesofo ma executive ni yi
me that's it yeah constitutional amendments there there long overdue me gidi say ye nyina ye betena ha ba bia ye ka ho asem say ebredu say ya memu mra kese no which is the supreme law of the land ye constitution no ya sachere mu ebeboa ye nyina na all over the world ade friend corporate governance very key to development because say been pen for say bakofo nchire down for
yeah
na me so ha na wa so ha na ye nyina na ye move sa na mind here enti amemu no ichem yese enkrabata miensa ene yese central for juma amudie no ntino yese mo ye fourth estate of the realm
okay
chese mo abeka ho enti wuyi executive arm of government legislature which is parliament then you come to the judiciary a court no a court system no now you afraid be separation of powers obia ye na famudie enkrabata na ban enkrabata no constitution memorandum na chere di obia nye no wi no asa beka checks and balances as a chairman say your mount separate powers but unye independent also be as check you
okay
and to be hunu say constitution kro now there's the oversight responsibility of parliament
what na parliament problem ne won
and you say mo hwe executives ne so say mo ntem ho ase a e wo mra mu a enye mo na mo kire mra nim or say judiciary no e ne be kire mra nim
okay
ana yatena se e hunu say hwese meme oversight responsibility to see to it say public person no e bia ye misuse no ni be use yesika judiciously you say wisely this say bi nyansa beto
okay
na yatena se yemfa standing committee bi te say public accounts committee na yemfa bia me committee ya me da no bako government assurance committee
okay
constitution no any standing orders of parliament ama me to me say and ama committee ni to me say obi be bo no ho babi yen na wose ye government assurance
okay
to pursue all assurances promises or undertakings given by minister from time to time sana standing orders no can and yenya yen to me from the constitution article 103 whatever now mema person we hunu say be a minister or shebo wa ma timeline eduro wentimi anye na committee no atena se said there be we there was here there recommendation ko na be there court plenary okay. Na parliament nyina ajato parliament nyina ajitu mu wie ye sa recommendation no why no also otimi hwe no execute say eye bone kwan so a ye ni say court no say ko but also attorney general kro ya so no was executive ni
okay
Utieni, so how do you combat corruption? So over the years, you know, I must say ye kunt took a tasician proye no. Yen system na nkasa no. Emma kwan, Emma obedience money o train na be train so no bre. Sometimes I hear monkey play by their sizes.
And your crowd so the for abemo. O show analysis ya o ye ya. We parliament fiwa. Na ye binum susu ye bre bia ye say. Yenche Attorney General and Minister of Justice ni
fantastic.
And also abemu ho.
And na meba. Boy independent. Na ko jina ne baby.
Okay.
But yesa kokoye ne sa so a. Wa nye careful so a na obi e ba besi amemu na se. Onim de nti amekasa. Onim me.
There be me hu e.
Meka obi anim.
Sao.
Ai se wo de say too many man nipa bi na nipa ne so no. E be in terms of ideology, philosophy. Oni nipa na otiso no hwimomu a obetimi akrampo aban no
said ye say enko yentimi nko sa akon yo
no meba me can dia ba be say you suit ne empese yesesa no because your system no e bi wa mind bi so.
Okay.
But how come some do motimi fight corruption?
Okay.
At least I will be etimi ka say o mind we there pro ne kankan no and new su bebre. E bibre mu ha. Every year sika you lose billions of dollars.
Okay.
As a result of corruption. Sika e ko undeserved pockets. Enti eye ade a ye nyina ye nhwe na ye nsi anokwan. Now, me nua a champon. Okasa no. Ya na then me NDC for me di won ho ya. What we say sia na Supreme Court edi ruling aba ne de. Landmark. Oh we de de. Ye nhwe ne yemfa nya adwuma. But emra NDC aban no mo na wo 2012 eye Presidential Transition Act no. Section 14 on kan. Omo na di shemu. Say aban dania. I was say you remove executive heads and dissolution of board of statutory bodies. It's there. Etino say aban bi abana the Presidential Transition Act.
And yes no. And it's a local government dey na boy brow.
Fantastic. And nothing now Supreme Court on interpreting. Actually, and say you're unconstitutional and void. So going forward, no, I was see who says Amra no, inconsistent with the Constitution.
Okay.
And an act of Parliament is an infringement of the Constitution.
Okay.
And the Constitution ne emrebia Asia say act or say bylaws or say then you Constitution prevails or takes precedent. And the Constitution no supreme. Okay. Now, to me, dear Supreme Court no original jurisdiction to interpret laws no wa babe kasa. Fair enough. Yen nyina yen jintum says say na abadia and you're going forward no. Mumma yansa enko CHBio. But referendum no dear. I was say yetimi eye. Na defects a work constitution because nyini na sebi sabra boso de boko yenim. Enti baby a ade na nyina dru na yate na chire. Ma panyini dada wonya ne baby ko. No ma panyini ko fo nya breso me kai. O ma panyini dada wonya ne baby ko. For instance, the late professor Van Satamias. At a constitutional review committee, okay. Commission. Emma omode modalities, any recommendations, by. Say yen hwe na yen di so. Okay. Say besi ne yen hwe ya adwene nsi so.
Enna na me busa se ebi aka se eno no so enye te se omanfo ni nyina support. I say president be adwene ana na initiative. Te ebi no maka se say yen nyina constitution. Iti e pese sesande dia. Yenye te se de 92 di bayi. Yen go consultative forum kwan so. Ebi so say the prof ye no efun so bi enu the be hwe ne say implementation e be yitwum
ye boka ene ete commission no. Okay. Madam Fupa bi no ye member. Omo ye adwuma so ko Ghana fa na nyina koje adwenkyere. Ehunu say ade ne ye ni say ye beboa ye nyina. Governance is a continuous process. All right. Eti mom ye nye say bi asana omo bo mo nim mienu no maka omachi no. Okay. Na ye nyina ye nhwe kwan be fa so a ye betimi aye mra no sebi ebesi enipa bi a omo susu se omo de omo nya kwanya bia na dwurim omo nya kwanya bia na sebi krono no omo pese omo bo man no ye nipa
nti se a ne yenkoso mu famfi baby a commission ni dru ye na yento aso mfi ho ana. For me ye nyina na ye gitum say okay te say emi nua asema na wo ka say nipa baako oti say ye system no a hybrid system of government. Okay. Ya fa UK de ne kakra na ya fa America de ne kakra na ya combine nipa baako Ghana. Enti nipa no we a member in the legislature as MP. The same person no also a member or executive arm of government. Sure. As minister. Now wakotna cabinet no mu take decision. Do you expect say oba parliamentar decision no mu take in cabinet no baba asababa be kase de bida. Enti no yani ankasa no problem no bi o fundamentally speaking no ye na yama ye ho kwan e na abaye so
And as I say baby aye drum ye nyina ye njintum na ye nyai say bia o political will and na bia mekoye we no hwe omapanyini decision say ye nto eye DC ni MCC4 so aban it's a bold decision.
Okay.
A battle a democracy, yema democracy, true meaning of democracy. People must be held accountable and responsible. Yeah, two Obama, nothing MPs, there be a pressure away.
Okay.
Nipa niji tu say, yeah, kasa, nye commanded resources no. But the first say, wadi ni kukrumuti kuti ma wono. On share when more than chief executive for dynasty wa. Onu do what to me to mobilize taxes.
Thank you.
So yeah, na yama ye ho kwan.
Maminko Facebook making cash for commenting kakranafi on so far 3 topics na kan from bako na me so me de media bako aba na ewie akosi oben we so besia so say Richard the champion pa. Are you dreaming? How can you think that NDC can come to power in 2021? A party which mismanaged the country to the extent that we had to go to IMF for credibility. They inherited GDP growth rate of 9.1%. In 2009, when they were leaving office in 2016, they brought it down to 3.6%, the worst in the history of Ghana. NDC never again. John Lance Van der Poel, Tamakom 2 BBC. Constitutional amendment is not the way to cut down the influx of corruption cases. The law should simply be enforced.
That's all.
Kingsley Nene Boboski, good morning, yeah. To you, Honorable Collins and Honorable Richard, Ghana Black Stars did well. Draw game is better than to lose the game. To lose the game, so I think it's good for us. But Coach Kwesi Appiah should be very careful with these substitutions. Gift Manson says, good morning. Tamakom 2 BBC sister, you are looking splendid. You gift me dawasepa, and then he says greetings to the NDC man. Meaning Honorable Richard the Champion. Yes, Santoa says a happy birthday to you, Kumasi Emmanuel. Oh, Kusiana Kumasi, okay. Kumasi Emmanuel at Nsawam Genesis Barbering Salon. Nana Kwesi Sanctuary, Kweku Sanctuary. This UEW issue is becoming unbecoming. The minister should find something doing to stop this influence. Kwajoji Kuman says, good morning, your panelists, to you and your panelists. Until Ghanaians stop the tit for tat and winner takes our attitude, we will always be running in circles. Musa Abatwaya, we welcome the decision by the Apex Court, but I don't understand why their ruling failed to take retrospective effect, as we witnessed in the case of Abu Ramadan and Evans Nimakon versus the EC and Attorney General in 2016, which the SP made its judgment to the effect that the SC ordered the EC to automatically delete the names of all persons on the voter register or those who registered with the NHIS. Oh, okay. The minister and Cameron, the Onumsha, and Quetch, a quenimu.
No, one thing is a Russia took 1079.
Yes, Honorable.
Retrospective
effect,
but say the affected person be and or call to say banning and in a year. Then it's going for reinstatement.
Okay.
When you say yes, Nippon or court or affected person.
Okay.
It's my lawyers so no educated.
Two different cases.
A be ordinary citizen. And a call for the true and proper interpretation of the constitution.
Okay.
Or no be quite different.
Okay.
My mom said that any affected person being on no call say imedi.
Okay.
Many abandon your junior.
Okay.
A honor dear after say a rule we abandon a reinstating no.
Okay.
And yes, sample na sample for no packages been at the moment.
Okay.
Say mom government must find something and compensate them for this lost cost.
Thank
but
you.
My lawyers.
But at a time I know court. Nem rane oho.
All right.
Rane oho. No, maybe I've quoted a relevant provision and
no, we are talking about the constitution.
No.
That's Article 291. No, Article 291,
Article 11.
The Supreme Court is not. I mean, it has never existed. And yeah, dear Yemra.
Yeah.
What I say?
Sources of laws in
what
this
I
country.
say?
Article 11 of our constitution.
Yes.
Ebobo. An act of parliament. A law.
Okay.
So as a time I will court no nemra oho.
Okay.
I will be a cofer. Even customary a law cra oho.
Okay.
Entino until say Supreme Court I pronounce say agenda unconstitutional na wono yet obi akofa samra ne dia real so now no there ye nyina na da yanim enti obi sa kokko ye bio dia then it means the nipa ne the constitution ne bra
honorable Echampon de na say the nipa ne can say or the Abu Ramadan case no to we ho a and na we the court to anka say ne omo ayi wo mo dada no yemfo omo mra and also honorable Echampon say the be a difference
from whether the petitioner is
say just for interpretation and that's no why affect say ye me illegally into court no be ka say reinstate that person and ti hono na
so affect all the sack CEOs ni nyana
depending on what the court will say.
Yes.
If the court says that reinstate him and all affected persons.
Now if you cry no what the court will say you know cry no don't just say yentimi remove executive heads or
your category of people
no if it is a just cause.
Yes. Oh no, we are talking about
that's
fantastic. It is still a bit more abuse.
Who determines the just cause? Okay. And the chief, yes, they are on our last three topics.
Ghana, Nigeria.
Ghana, Nigeria. Okay, so Swami Magazine, traders back to work.
Yes.
More yet than was Sam running home. Me matisem penny for no much I say, ya mendi, and the way I see a jedi na babe, Timo yet.
Yeah, privilege information and Hohone say we are here to engage Guta.
Okay.
Yeah, Ghana Union.
Guta for na police for Aburubi no. You've heard that?
What's saying?
What's the for Abubi Munra?
Oh, so for now, the back off our money,
yeah.
Because the police wants to be
okay.
But as a committee,
okay.
Last week, Nina Gusua engage relevant stakeholders.
Okay.
Yeah, a joint committee, committee on trade and industry, and no share, share a Ghana investment promotion officials, share a Ghana immigration service. Now I say free zones board almost also eba
okay
mene o kase Guta omo na ye main petitioners almost also no committee no e be hia ho na ye tie ensem no ye no nche se de ne nam fra memo no ye ntie bi
okay
na so se de mra no etie no asem ma wo ne ni a se ye ma ne marching
okay
asa na parliament ye na adwuma. Until now, there's a referral from Speaker to engage all the relevant stakeholders. No?
Okay.
You go so a job in chair.
Okay.
Notwithstanding, a futu kakra mekane say, ye bekasa.
Okay.
Parliament bekasa. Ye nyan kasai. Tomo mo kasa wa bontine.
Makasa o.
Ye kasai. Ye nyan kasai.
Oh yeah, sure.
Ye nyan kasai.
There be mo kasa ye njai generalization ya de ade no.
Individual MPs to say Minya Agaga a ranking member on the committee.
Okay.
Media ne kasai. And non say the kasa no be kind the position of the committee.
Foreign Affairs Committee.
But Foreign Affairs Minya another any okujeto. Omo nyina a joint statement.
Okay.
Eba condemn say be DSC ye.
Okay.
Oh and no nchire say Parliament as an institution, I take a decision.
All right.
Because my sem no mo ye no. Enya report omo be lay on the floor mpo na make say deliberate ya ka ho asem awie na awie ye na ye gina so I take a decision. Ye nya nduru ho.
All right.
Now no appropriate committees no. Parliament eyi say ye hwe nye sansem no. Ya tena se. Ye gusu a ye tietie.
Okay.
Emra no de ebi wo ho a ubetime gina so akase yani ayemra no sebi ohe Ghana Investment Promotion Center Act 2013 na section 27 no ye clear
okay
e kire adwuma e was Ghana for eye
okay
any adwuma sesa ho ye den eye sebi bodwa petty trading ye say ho de ya reserve de den territory bi e de ama Ghana for taxi adwuma eye Ghana for eye communication omo tonton scratch card Ghana betting lotteries no Ghana except football pool no na Ghana for now over section 40 na
okay
e ka e kire say obi a sebi odi store ama obi e odwom o ye Ghana ni na o the store ema wo ho a so mfanya adwuma emra no e chese illegal o tie die
yeah
Ghana for kro ya and this shops no emema awo didi dwa
aguta for ne se fronting na mo de ehye chire e de kan 7 de mo de omunua no mo fronting no mo ntwe wo mo aso na mo ma emra no adwuma wa wo na me pese o Ghana dru ba bia hypocrisy ene ku o man no okay nyaatwo me ditum me nimrantie bi o maba manim ama me ama intervene personally on the issue of rent in this country. Okay. Rent. Omoko han dan. Na if you ra for na peja boom edi e dan ne ma ho because I want can pay dollars. Odone way. As one people with a common destiny. Meanwhile you too quiet. So attitude na change. And the modern trade. The attitude never says and we don't need the law. And the modern trade, you know. The issue of protectionism, no, is not the way to go. A competition, but in a way, a way to go. A little protection will help. I was saying to me, a year home, she share economy. Now you're so ready for us. But a little protection will help. Unim. Some can't Ghana say. Na me no no so Nigeria. You think they don't have a protection for their people? Emrabe na Nigeria as in municipal laws are regulating retail businesses. Okay. Sagana for twika o. Sagana for ni biye bodwa. But uji no me so blanket say offer. Anya sembia obi abeka bia na be ya wote. Uti. Eya me ya say yeti ye memu. Na ye ewo se ye se bi obi na ye dwobodwobodwo a wo ye ne capital keto bi obi koje bosia wo Nigeria bank interest rate no e wo from Ghana obi akoje bosia interest rate no e wo soro bank. Okay. O se sankrofo ni nyina ndi dwa ba ko betete ne die so because ono no nsi hu a e wo bosia no koje e ye keto bi. Okay. Eno ti na make say ye dwadifo no hia tax incentives ni release ni e kwa be for so be resource on because African Continental Trade agreement no eba on stream no afedie obi te Mauritania obi e wo Dakar o mfani na ntwe na o de ba abegina kejeti ababa but so we get there because me kai shirt dia say ani esi ebedi equal say echo who kai time na no penny osafoma for finance minister afi na maybe secondary school up to now echo has not seen the light of the NCCSO agreement be banti yenja ni so we get there because there's a pass mark. No, there's a pass mark. That's a pass mark. O mine no na ka so obia o hihye economy no ye the threshold na to want me ambroso echo no yedi enye there will be instability because no into one said then you consider into copim say ye be said this continental trade agreement ni say na ekwa ye nyina de ye adwuma no ye mfa no nya excuse nti na de esase ye wo ye mem no ye hold on say ye trying because it is coming ana. I'm talking from security perspectives. There was security implications. No na me hwe now there were two distinct constituencies. Your Ghana as a constituency, Ghanaian market. Yeah. Now, your Ghanaian community in Nigeria or in Mali or in Gambia. Okay. And also market wo. Sure. Again, ebi omunko nyane wo mumra. Enka se Ghana for moton ekenne sa niema we wa ha no. Mo so yemra no chese mu ye bi enye yi. Uti. Do we know? Mrs. Assam na da hono etise besepani nkoni aba yeta se be nyansa fo. Aye sure so munko nyane omumra. Ana se bi omumra ni ye adwuma dada ena ye enti ehia so be pa ko nyane no. Yeah, me very mobile. Let me tell you. Nyankopon adom nti. Speaker ma adwuma bi ne me mpanifo ne me committee. Okay. Say fact finding mission on the issue of transhumans. Nomadic herdsmen no. Ye nuanu fulani for any local farmers. I led delegation to at least so many countries. Mate, but unfortunately,
Sabi me to me bo pa. O tipo no tie say dia adwuma na wo ye ne krom ha. E dia bra na wo bo. O cheche mu kire wa no say eh ene ewiase yeso. Now because you are not living in isolated world and we are part of the global village, you know, you take a decision bia na me dem anusi no na me ka say police for ni ho kwan say omuta tadwedi for no.
Okay,
because emran ye ni ayemran and na ayemran na wie no say feel say there are defects in our law yenko na ye nane ani na until say emran wo ho ne de ye local traders no so almost sorry no more agitation bia kasa
Medawa.
but untimi entiatia ne fa ho die so
honorable Richard the champion samra we say ye na te say companies code afa ne anya amendments ka be ka say 1960 ache 2013
1963
you 1963 medase 2013 6 years afa ne hu say
NDC for na yeah
afa ne hu say wiase ye kurekuma bi emra ye ne nene nansa
constitution no can this for na chere.
You sponsor the bill. No,
sometimes
yes. No, but they sponsor the bill. Yeah.
It's on my way ankasa no. The FAPM
ankasa cabinet buy. So that's what I'm saying, Mr.
Since 1992 no, it's NDC for now so. Until you can write.
It's constitution yes.
So give us the credit.
It's constitution. NDC for koye.
Oh, Collins. Medawase so be ma papa ya che na adwen wo sa se mo ama. Pacho medawase. Pacho.
Na se ni zamni akokra na je o.
Yes,
I'm bien wa aye ni pentin na ye mra no.
Okay.
Even I know that crop na ye pass this special prosecutors act. Or not say won say that issues.
Okay.
The governing council, the appointment also independent. The then a president now appointed nipa man ye hwe mra no. It mra no che say it is cast in stone. Say intimacy sano. It few say maybe GNPC act no 2013. Emra no MY na say won say bia I say about the implementation of the law.
Sure. Okay.
What make us say okay obi e boom raso into no me the yom ko kamanim akwakotutu ni so mu akwakobu no. Only no obi wa asema ye wo court e wa say.
But ye hu so omabu obi ana. Cause video see ya stretch ade no. Omo ko say omako omako to store. Ya ntse ya bu obi.
Unimra ho asem kakra ye ka assault a ye battery wo ho ye uta say nya bo no kwa bo no hihie kropo na obi be kom kropo no betimi de wakoko
say ka assault dey ye hunehun about say police for criminal one no battery na assault
yes e be man say odo sa wakika obeti wakika ne kakra what I said obi okay question about this West African Monetary Zone equal ye kan was me it's work in progress all is check because of the single currency issue the nyina the francophone countries in pull back. Because we know can say more than $10 billion out of France. The France will not release this amount of money for the French communities. It will collapse the France economy. And they are just holding back. It's a the West Africans there issue. But in your Benin for now, and France is not allowing them to join us. I'm a part of the committee. This year,
so omunya maye no should we
be what we are doing your convergence criteria. So show GDP. So we share the how or deficit SCTA. Na ibenya one governor, one president. What any problem leadership? Why not for the post into form? Nobody's at the big brother. Hey, Nigeria.
Yeah, big brother.
Dues to you know they pay more. Yes, they pay more dues than any other country.
Okay.
I'm a member of the committee. Last 2 years, in Liberia.
That's almost
what I say. Headquarters to Copon, they want to host it. Our say they will provide everything. Now, big brother, now they I say, no, me some money. I was use the law to deal with them. But what I say, yeah, you can say, hold
on. Big brother.
Yes.
Or Fandi we, or Peso say, in cinema waha. Now
use the law.
The money on Krabonia.
The money on Krabonia, use the law to deal with them.
And they are using good for asamono. Media minio mudin komo. Timitio momu say, ye mran. And Sisamusi use the law. They are expecting law enforcement.
By ultimatum. So government must act.
And we are so kind for.
Yes. Government must act. What I say? Michael last year now you call Liberia this one meeting. Hotel wo enyuma na gaibe say o hwe Ghanaian delegation and ko kwatam no kwe. Udum obe was what now more than 20 something years.
Oh sure.
Na ye meja asase media kuku wo Liberia. Ghana ni oso okoko for hold de okoko ye pa na nka o foreigner but hold de okoko Liberia. Honestly,
but say be a Liberia man ne kwan say obetumi aye
retail business no preserve for Ghanaians. What I say. And now they can harm the front to my union. You can go to court. But I question nipa no rent than Nigeria ni Ghana ni na ne di waso kwesi mensa. Baka chop say where me employee. Me na me tia but on the finance adwuma no. So in this case, what do you do?
Okay.
This way I buy a committee, finance committee name. I mean, the time has come for us either to do the amendment, to do what is right.
We'll make a
protect your brothers and sisters more this business in them.
Oji this a protection na mo betumi ayama wo no. Fi se mitie mu nyina se de mo kasa ne de amendment ne be ya ne say futufra. Ye nyina yo.
Bibia no want me there should be a paradigm shift. We need to change our mindset. So me dying. Na me de ma high. Na no say abrantie bi actually to feast a bit now, say Obabe high, san the stowaway, so Obabe Tonyama. Now I will share Nipan a bobre. Now, but say we need $1 million. But from the word go, Sikadi and Children Winnipa Hondia. What I say? Now, what I say, to me decide and man, I'm also equity as I don't say, would the man for now, from my foreign
chief guy.
Now, would the money panel? Out to Musa, small boy, we catch us say, or Gakwata or Gino an employee. How would you believe this? When you name I say, because I saw no, you protect your home.
Okay.
Not me call Hong Kong in their politics and their trade. You can't joke with it. Maybe somebody will take you a dirty hand from our politics. Foreigner, no show. You have no business. Even China, no, our problems with them.
Sure.
I'm no. Let alone an African country. But they are Ghanaians almost a ton them Hong Kong. They have businesses, but have to go through the proper channel.
No. Maybe I share for just a more. No, man, for China because almost down the day.
Nema for Kofana China, not a debenino. Ghana for the fronto. Omono order name and the mom. Bebre or wholesale. I will go and zoo. But Omo used to other people. I'm not going to register this company's mom. No can Nigeria say a be a mom right say. But now ko tan Nigeria chibu fruit aton. Then you no ko Nigeria no mo tombo fruit on. Nigeria ni na o chibu fruit no da so gan na ma na ton.
Because on to me che.
On to me che em na ma ko say chibu fruit on Nigeria. To date.
But some are big brothers.
They're the big
They want to host.
Yes.
They want to fund.
What I say.
So
let's deal with
some way of protecting on Crawford.
And no not chief we can answer because competition are working on. We are not dealing with the people on the same level ground. What I say, that protectionist approach wrong in economics, but other countries are doing it,
and it is working for them.
America is doing it, UK is doing it, and Nigeria is doing it because of our deficit different. What I say, our source of borrowing different.
Okay.
What I say, stimulus package same farmer ban. They been a buy here. I will say one district, one factory.
Dim come. Very annoying.
And I'm saying, what I say,
yeah.
So you see, so you know, no matter.
Okay.
Near support almost says even some more access bank facility. Not so many can at a cheaper rate. Non-performing loans. So I can say, here come as a couple. I'm for loans. So
yeah.
And then I say, none of in the papers. What what's your problem? I say no, even mobile money. We're quite so when you have some certain minimum capital. Yes, I'm on your mobile money. I have a very big challenge. Yeah, the free banks so.
Okay.
Yeah, there are about 347 microfinance institutions. So we run community banks. Our line so. Yes, about mobile money.
Mobile money reason Anna.
Mobile money no fine.
No,
they buy. Mobile money no quite different. What I say, you are not limited to one particular institution.
Okay.
Can wallet him. When it comes to withdrawal or deposit, but mako baby and your bank, like I say, just a commercial bank branch in Kwa.
Opese wants to kiki si one son yaka say enke
wo pepper me one more so ye be hu an kiki
no me bisa say abaye hu say o se o pese me protect customers any adinti me ntwe ma asem nsi ansa no o pese asem nsi ansa
o asem bia ni ho o ho de asem bia ni ho eye ete say ukuta visa card
okay
utukut me sika free outlet bia it is so called stand chart na sika any dispenser mu a obetima ko first backlist.
But there wouldn't be any smoke with that far. Sasemu ni wan komu movie
ni nyina ne say issue me I raise it am pese omo handle ne say mistakenly sisi a opese transfer sika ma chief na sika no ebedi me ho a na se me first sika na kwa be so on sabe first kan sika. This is something we have to deal with. My raising this issue on the floor of the house, Mr. Speaker, Joe Wise, I can say a critical matter because I fair victim for it. And only name I say because say odu sika koto bank account not tell a mistake, echo different person account. Ultimately withdraw sika no.
Okay.
At the amount. I don't know mobile money didn't mean master because location of the subscriber no coupon is difficult to trace. When no money businesses are I say
and you think that a banker say be a beshamo capital, nya should be a business location near their M1 or so.
Oh, you see, the thing is mobile. What I say, me say my register me no ma ewa ha. E frɛ ha say mo bro no no dey say. Tessa no. E china mafoka mo wale. But don't say mo wale.
Assemble.
In the national. Okay. In the national, Nigeria and Ghana. Your brothers and sisters.
Okay.
Emfa who say omo 80 to yemra so no. Nipenti na yemra no.
Okay.
The yemra to shape the conscience and actions of individuals. The feel say emra way these businesses are reserved for Ghanaians alone. Na say amount for be yebi. Na say if you say say banesa. Emra na say apply laws.
Yen share dey be.
Thank you. Na say obi ko bu obi na obi ko tutu obi so mu obi ko force obi so tutu store mu a e bia that very day no benya na higher sales oma na no do na den abon waje bank loan na dey any business.
Thank you.
Okwa ko the loan with the interest.
Thank you. My used to 10 minutes, but unfortunately, my man can UAW.
Ono dia o mampanyine akufo ado. Ono an akufo na semba ye. Oye induction. Atuguba chere. Oh me nwie. Atuguba
the me and I'm there about for 2 minutes.
Professor Tukuba chere letter. E the command say opinion in some wo ho. What's my say what happen?
Okay.
And some want to bo ase kakra. You say who are the appointing authority. You resolve these issues. O mampanyine nti na akwa induction afu broni meboa. Na me say one zongo chief bi.
Yeah, nenso.
Ono so chere letter. Akoma papa ne say audit no a ya commission no ma audit ne nya adwuma e wo school mu e no so ya Roma father o ho te de a ada na pese ba audit ne mekoso te ne ma na avoka o ka say oye ni avoka oye nyina na nti oni enua afenyo market e ka bom ma mutu no and the same thing na wo ye ama enua afenyo market ankasa abeka say he was misled.
But the idea say I say sabotage because you pesa papa ne be na adwuma I say penalty no ntin sem a wo kan ya bi
and the kukuru ni jaya keka no be because you resolve issue no it is a issue ba na say if justice is not served people will never be happy to cooperate with you to achieve your set goals and targets.
Thank you. Yes, Chief.
Yeah, Yankopon le DC aban free ho. Oh, who say?
Only the one on the kind the one baby also the comedy or the coffee.
What's
my kind here first casemono? And I make sure oh yenchi black marketing government no mobile running yen ntin. Oh, say okasa no say on tia ban na say ode ni sako kan we no wie your ba microfinance no wie no ko
no we ni yenchi there.
Enya no na ebo man no. One na catch we say number of banks and answer financial institutions do NHS economy ni grow.
Na say we need discussion.
No me ba tino sa propaganda na we dey to so no beat ya. Oni say Bank of Ghana eco sector bi so okoye regulation proper regulation. Wo wadwene mu no kire say okogu no. The year can say e was say yetimi ema financial sector na ye more viable. Okay. Na actors involved no or players no obi anya hoden enti se me ko bank and me ko bi a microfinance bi akwa sika uti enya se bi a on paper no they look good,
okay,
but practically no money sika bi a o de ye adwuma ebi na ekoso enkrofo bebre set up sa institutions we wa bra the core mandate say o si sika no ye de mawa we na wo de koye wo de koto we no o man chirem wa for don say nipa no odi si dan odi hand
what you know everywhere
no now
oh you can't have more time.
Oh, so much.
Because me ma time me ma any time me we no no better and I make you
any problem
you asem the because
you asem na ye kan
topic no person dey
ye kan asem me mesre sebi baby a ye nyina kwakodru no mo mama ye ho kwan e mama yo sem enwura ye mu engu nipa bi ho fi
okay
sa takra wo James Suban a NDC for no demonstrate e wo Winneba ho e moa.
Now what is your boy in this meeting?
Meba. Takra ojem. Omo na efitem. Enti se wote wo na wonya badwe ma. Na wo so ntokwane so.
No.
Edi enti no so
aban asake.
Ama Minister of National Security. Actual letter come Minister of Education tertiary say on shana almost solve. What the NDC need?
Follow UEW issue no.
Okay.
Abisine. Sebi yenim say na Professor Adekye ona ne o ena oye niema bi e ma sukufo no e sore ye
okay
mangaw enti sa na tie dia no ye adwuma nye yi e ma ye nyina ye nim committee ahodo e tie your recommendations e buy into the history now ono akwa tena nchen no osusu se wa ma mentwa nkwa a wosu ntwen no eti kwa bi a mefa so bi a meso so no memma asomdwe
afubro na say na wo ken ono no ba ya o saki lectures
bacho me time na santima ne mo
I don't can as we see the trust we see assembly trust
o so si wudi eti ase
because assembly nya ode assembly nya ode assembly nya ode
set record
now the ye nuanom
there be me set record straight zona mo set
ahemfo no a wo mo ho no ene imam chief imam no mo no nsem o mo ka ene say ya tena kire ye hu say ye member of parliament na mugu ni ho fi benefit bi wo di ni ebo
okay
enti no asem no a esi o university ho no sebi omo nimde omo betima tenase na omo ate wo ho ase na emo wo de mrase bedwani ni bewura mu a na wayira no na mrase bedwani so ayabo ni din no aban so interest because sebi wo ya aban mu nipa
okay
eno tina minister for national security atwe Professor Yanka adwenasi so say look Abrantie bi allegation bi ode to social media na nipa bi afa as gospel truth no mo investigate say ne be obi undermine this government.
Thank you.
Asem ni nyina
no dia meda wase ora calling Zousua Mankwai honorable member of parliament emo manfo menhia north na camera no da usu and honorable Richard the champion so a honorable member of parliament mo manfo o bia eat mira no mano pay madam wase papa me sorry son yes na ye nua bema DJ Fletch oba wo OKFM ne mame awoda enti mame Harriet Clotte or Redemption Methodist Asoyo Abeka. A happy birthday to you if you ba DJ Fletch Genevieve Roger and na waso Fletch wa nunu eho na me show made that creative line as say o mami atare kama share and one my as a Ghana ni ampa on so betimi akọ creative line say a t-shirt o say a kaftan say obi bia Ghana any bibia ye pam de creative a creative Obeyama. 0264414945 and 0244695057 and Pabwa medicisi so can see any emani fire no if in Macbrook collection ewo Pig Farm Ochabe the Pele Plaza na unsa bin come so and Pabwa fee a Macbrook collection 0244211491 midi edi yakunama bye bye.